Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Settings, clicking on Apps and Notifications, and selecting App Notifications after scrolling down. Now tap on Most Recent and select the best filter for you, in my case Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps to disable or enable notifications from it. If you wish to, you can also click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!